I woke up today in London as the plane was touching down, and all I could think about was Monday. Maybe I'd be back around. If this keeps me away much longer, I don't know what I will do. You've got to understand it's a hard life that I'm going through. And when the night falls in around